Welcome to Google AdSense Black Hat step-by-step course that worked in 2019 and 20. Today we will cover this lecture, strategy of earn money, more money in maximum clicks. How you can do it. So maximum clicks, that means if you get 20 click and your earning will be $20 or $30, this is called maximum click and more earning. If you get 100 click and your earning is $10 or $5, this is too much click and earning is very low. So how you can get maximum clicks and earn more money? This is my strategy. I have worked many times on it. You need to search on Google high CPC cookies download. High CPC cookies download. Okay. Now you can go to these website. For example, this website, and this website is article, and here he write how to install cookies for high CPC at Mozilla Firefox and also for Chrome. Here he put the link for high CPC cookies. Click here to download. I have click here cookies pack, and here he tutorial you can watch how to install these cookies. This is cookies zip file. Only you need to download these cookies and you can install on your browser. What is cookies? Cookies is for example, you are browsing in your Chrome browser. You go to website, Facebook, or any other place. Then the browser, any browser, if you using Chrome or if you using Mozilla Firefox, the browser is record your history, your browser history. This is called cookies. And if you go to any website, Google AdSense show you according to your history ads. Google AdSense show you ads according to your browser history. This is browser history called cookies. If you go to high CPC website, for example, you go to those type of website, which website is doing campaign for high CPC. Then if you go to any website, you will see high CPC ads on any website. So this is the cookies you can download and install. Here also he guide to how you can install these cookies. And if you don't understand how to install these cookies, then you can watch YouTube video also. Here how to set browser and get Google AdSense high CPC ad setup. This video if you watch, here someone guide to how you can download high CPC cookies and how you can install in your browser. What is the benefit of high CPC cookies? For example, if you exchange click with me, for example, you exchange click with me, and in your browser you have already installed ICPC cookies. Yani how ICPC cookies you have installed in your browser. After that, I give you my website. Search on Google and go to my website, and you give me your website to me. Search on Google and go to website. For example, I have not installed high CPC cookie, but you have installed ICPC cookies in your browser. After that, if you search keyword on Google for going to my website are coming. After that, you go to my website, you will show, Google AdSense will be show you ads according to your browser history, your cookies. If you have installed high CPC cookies, then you will show ads in my website, very high CPC ads. After that, if you click on that ad, I will earn for example $2, $5 per click. And if I don't have installed in my browser these cookies, and I go to your website and I have browsed your website, but I am not showing high CPC ads in your website because I don't have high CPC ads cookies in my browser. So this is the method of how you can get maximum clicks for more earnings. Many people are sharing here high CPC cookies for Chrome, high CPC cookies, how to find high CPC cookies, high CPC keywords in 2019. And if you search on YouTube, many people are guide how to working this technique. I also use this technique. This is the very powerful technique. One day I use this technique. I go to Facebook and I chat with someone and I say him, if I go to your website and if I click on your website, you will get $1 CPC. He tell me how you click. I say him, I have high CPC cookies in my browser history. Then he are agree. And he say me, go to my website and click to my ad. After that, I go to his website and I found high CPC ad in his website. I have click one click only on his website and he got $3 from only one click. This is called maximum click on high earning. After that, he earned $3 and he tell me how I can work. So I suggest him go to Google and search high CPC cookies download. After that you will find many websites and go to these websites and download these cookies to your computer. After download, install these cookies on your browser. If you finish complete the install high CPC cookies in your browser, after that go to Google and search keyword for going to my website. That means which keyword are ranked from my website. You need to go to my website. You will see high CPC ads in my website. Here he follow same strategy which I suggested, and he go to my website and he click only one ad and I got CPC $2. This is called high CPC strategy of earn more money in maximum clicks. This work you can only on ClickExchange. When you install high CPC cookies, you can earn for someone and someone click on your ads and you need to click for someone ads. So next lecture we will cover paid clicks earning method.